Hey everyone! Ever wanted that sparkling smile without resorting to harsh chemicals? Today I'm going to share with you my top 7 secrets for naturally whiter teeth. Let's dive right in. First up, oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing oil, like coconut or sesame, in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. It helps remove toxins and can significantly brighten your smile. Just remember, don't swallow the oil. Next, baking soda. It's not just for baking, it's a natural whitener. Mix a small amount with water to create a paste and brush gently. Do this a couple of times a week and you'll start noticing a difference. Third on our list is apple cider vinegar. It works as a natural disinfectant and teeth whitener. Brush with it a few times a week, but be careful. Too much can erode your enamel. Always dilute it with water. Moving on to number 4. Fruits like strawberries and pineapples. These contain natural acids that can help whiten teeth. Mash up strawberries and apply them to your teeth, or just enjoy a pineapple slice after meals. Fifth secret, activated charcoal. It's known for pulling stains off your teeth. Apply it carefully with your toothbrush, brush lightly, and voila! Just make sure to use it sparingly as it's quite abrasive. Number 6. Good old-fashioned dental hygiene. Brushing twice a day, flossing, and using mouthwash can go a long way in preventing stains and keeping your teeth naturally bright. And lastly, number 7, a healthy diet. Foods high in calcium, like dairy products or crunchy veggies that scrub your teeth as you eat them, contribute to a brighter smile. There you have it, my top 7 secrets to naturally whiter teeth. Remember, consistency is key. And always check with your dentist before trying new dental health practices. Thanks for watching, and keep smiling naturally.